Hi, good morning, everyone. So without any delay, we would like to start this webinar now. Okay. So let me just check with my speaker here. Mingzhen, are you ready? And Wiping, are you ready as well?
Yes, we are ready. Good morning, everyone.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Hi.
Hello, can you hear me?
Can.
Okay, once again. Something wrong with my mic. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
I can't hear you. Please. Hello.
Can you hear? Hello.
Yes.
Maybe
Okay.
because it's
I think I'll
recorded.
just put out the microphone. Okay. Okay, thank you for joining this webinar today. I'm your moderator, Sarah, and today we are bringing you the webinar about integrate your e-commerce with QuickBooks Online seamlessly. So today we have the host, QuickBooks, Quick Pro Solutions, and as well as Zappy with me today. Okay. So today agenda will be, we are sharing about 10 minutes about overview of e-commerce in Malaysia. We have 30 minutes on showing you how online merchants can easily sync stock and orders with QuickBooks Online via Zappy. We'll be sharing by Mingzhen. And 30 minutes will be on QuickBooks Online's features and pricing in a glance. And the rest of the time will be on the Q&A. And if you have any questions, okay, we can actually answer at the end of the session, or if you have any questions, please write down on the chat box. Okay, some housekeeping rules now. Okay, this session will be mute during the session. If you have any questions, please type it into the chat box. And don't worry about taking notes and all that. So we'll send the recording over, after this session to you. Okay. So let me just start it with the overview of e-commerce in Malaysia. Okay, the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted consumer payment space in Malaysia as consumers are gradually switching from offline to online purchases. So you'll see there's a boom of online merchants and online purchase during this COVID-19 where people cannot actually go outside. So the closure of the physical store due to lockdown and social distancing measure lead consumers to ramp up online shopping, which is turn accelerated the e-commerce market growth in Malaysia. So this is a trend right now. Okay, so according to the global data e-commerce analytics, so there will be expect a 24.7% growth in 2020, and the total growth is actually forecast at 51.6 billion in 2024. This is based on the forecast from global data. Okay, this is the trends, how e-commerce will be, expected e-commerce value within these few years in Malaysia. Okay, if you look at the mix of the industry, so fashion and beauty actually contribute a lot of percentage. If you talk about the value, is about 1.42 billion. And if you talk about the percentage growth, is about 43.7 growth. And the other one, which is you can actually take note, is actually food and personal care as well. So it has a 38.4% growth. Second, a 38.4% growth in food and personal care. Okay, it will contribute a total of 449.1 million. So if you are new in e-commerce, probably you can look into this type of industry that you want to leverage on, or you can stay with the lowest people who is invested, but you can keen on exploring it. Okay, this is based on the Hootsuite data and statistic. Okay, if you talk about the e-commerce landscape in Malaysia, this dated 2020. So these are the platform which is available in Malaysia, which is, you can see Zappy is actually one of the tools right here. Okay, and they are the e-commerce platform. They are the managed e-commerce platform as well. And what are the B2B, Well, the B2B platform right now is like Alibaba, like Biz apps, and so on and so forth. If you talk about B2C, we have Shopee, Lazada, Leilong.com, Leilong.my, and Happy Fresh, and so on and so forth, which you can actually leverage on. Okay, without any delay, let me just introduce my first speaker, which is Ming Zhen. Ming Zhen is the head of sales of Zappy. You can call her Ming if you can't pronounce the word Zen. Okay, her key role in the company is to share and educate how Zappy as a data technology platform can enable sellers, manufacturers, and also brand owners to sell both online and offline. i.e. is actually omni-channel. So she can get great satisfaction seeing how our customer benefits from what we do. One of her goals is to help more SME, drive more data-driven decisions. Okay, without any delays, please welcome Ming Zhen to take over. Ming Zhen, over you.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Hello everyone, good morning everyone. I'm Minja here from Zappy. So thank you Sarah for the great introduction. So okay, so I'm Minja here from this app called Zappy. Okay, so thanks, good morning everyone, and thank you everyone for joining this webinar. Thanks for your time. And also thank you QuickPro for inviting Zappy to conduct this webinar. Show you guys how Zappy can help you as online merchants or sellers or brand owners or manufacturers to easily sync your inventory and also your orders to this QuickBooks accounting software through Zappy. Okay, so right now I will start to sharing my screen. Okay, so I'll just go through a few introduction, okay, to let you guys have more understanding of what Zappy is. Okay, can you guys see my screen? Can, right? Can
Yes.
see? Okay,
see.
okay, thank you. Okay, so today's my topic will how online merchants can easily sync stock and orders with QuickBooks via Zappy. Okay, so as I see there are a few participants here, so I think most of you maybe are already an online sellers, already been selling on those popular marketplaces that mentioned by Sarah just now, which is Shopee, Lazada, or you have your own brands.com running on this Shopify or WooCommerce. Okay, so for those sellers who are already selling online here, I'm not sure if you have using any accounting software, because just to let you know, maybe some of the most of the sellers they start selling online businesses maybe since MCO time. MCO started, then they start to move their business to online. Then, but maybe most of the sellers, right, they don't know, actually, if you're running online business also, you need an accounting software to do account, because they thought, just selling online, then they like no need to do account. Actually, is required also by the government. So maybe a lot of you haven't adopted any accounting software yet. So if you are looking for a easy, a user-friendly interface, and you want it to be a cloud one. So actually cloud one means that, right, you can log in and access to your accounting software anytime, anywhere using any device. Like you can use your laptop, or you can use mobile phone, like QuickBooks, they already have this mobile app. So you can just easily download app on your mobile and you can access to your accounting software anytime, anywhere, as long as you have the Wi-Fi or data connection. Okay, and also if you are looking for if let's say you don't have maybe a very strong accounting background, also you can utilize this accounting this QuickBooks also, because to be honest, our company also is using QuickBooks as an accounting software right now. So it's a very easy to use. Their interface is very clean and easy, and it's very easy to learn and use. So if let's say any one of you is looking at accounting software, you can actually go with this. I would recommend this QuickBooks accounting software. And also because it's cloud one, it can easily integrate with any third-party platform like us, like Zappy. Okay, so means that you can easily integrate to any online channels via Zappy. Yeah. Okay. So okay, but today's my topic will mainly to show you how you as online seller, if you're selling online like Shopee, Lazada, Shopify, or WooCommerce, and at the same time you plan to use QuickBooks or already using QuickBooks, and you are looking for a system, right, to help you to easily manage your inventory and also orders between these platforms. Then now Zappy will comes in. I will show you how Zappy comes in as the middleware to help you to connect these two channels together so that you can easily manage all these inventory products easily through our platform Zappy. Okay, so I give you a little intro about our platform Zappy first. So our name of the apps is pronounced as Zappy, not because a lot of people they pronounce it wrongly. They will pronounce it as Zappy or Zappy, so it's not. It's pronounced as Zappy. Okay, Zettpy. So this is actually from a local company. We're actually based in KL Cherasa. Yeah. So it's a local company. So means that our support also from local one. We don't need to worry. Okay. And then what is Zappy? Is actually a control panel. It's like a middleware. So you can easily manage your products, your inventory, customers, and also orders. And last but not least, inside Zappy, right, you can see the analytics, such as you can see the report. Okay, let's say how much sales you generate on Shopee, Lazada, your web store, and also what is the top selling products, etc. So this kind of analytic and report you are able to see inside Zappy. Okay, so before that, right, I show you what Zappy can do. I will show you what are the pain points that facing by the sellers you right now. Okay, so if at the same time you're selling on a lot of different online channels, you're running your own web stores, at the same time you're also selling on Shopee, Lazada, then you're using this accounting so QuickBooks also, what are the pain points you're facing? So first will be you have to log into each of the channel and upload the same product content. So imagine right now you have a new products you want to upload. So you will upload in your accounting QuickBooks also, and also you need to upload to Shopee, Lazada, and your own web store. So you have to log into 3 different platforms, and then you key in the same product name, description, especially when you upload the image and the description is a very painful thing, right? You have to do it many times, right? Okay, then the second is you have to manually adjust the inventory. Like let's say maybe your QuickBooks at the same time you also create invoice, let's say for your walk-in customers, or you do any inventory adjustment in your QuickBooks. Then later on you have to go to Lazada, adjust inventory, go to Shopee, go to your online store. So it's a very manual way. And then what if you receive order, online is 24/7, 1 month later you receive order during midnight, then you have to manually adjust the stock in your QuickBooks also, right? So it's a very manual, and this will cause the overselling issue. So if later you delay to update the store or you forgotten, then this will cause overselling. Okay, and then third is if you receive an order coming from online, from Shopee or Lazada, from your website, then you have to key in the invoice one by one into your accounting software because you want to do accounting. So you need to create the invoice inside the QuickBooks. So what you need to do is you need to maybe hire a staff, sit down there, then key in the invoice one by one. What if let's say during maybe 11/11 or coming 12/12, then you got maybe one day you can reach to 100 orders, 200 orders, or maybe 1,000 orders, then your staff will the whole day they just sit there and key in the invoice, and maybe they will key in wrongly because of human error. Okay, and also last is you can't really analyze how much sales you generate both online and offline. So like let's say if you're also selling offline, you have your own physical store, then also you're using QuickBooks to do your you key in the invoice for your offline sales also, right? Then if let's say you sell at the same time selling online also, then you key in invoice one by one into your QuickBooks. Then from QuickBooks is actually like a master platform to see the sales you got from online and offline. Then because the invoice you key in manually, so it's very manual. Then if you want to analyze how much sales I got from Shopee and Lazada web store, you have to log into each of the platform to check the sales, right? So by using Zappy, right, we can help you solve these 4 pain points, and you can how you can use Zappy, right, to easily manage your products, inventory, customers, and also orders. Okay, so right now I'll show you how Zappy benefits. Sorry. Okay, first is you can easily upload products to multiple accounts. Okay, so Zappy will be in the middle. Okay, sorry, maybe I just skip this first. I'll show you this overview first. So Zappy will be in the middle. So you can imagine this as a bridge to connect these 4 channels we have. Okay, so first is your own brands.com. So for brands.com, we support WooCommerce and Shopify. These two is actually the most popular shopping cart platforms. So just for information, is for those sellers here, if you are planning to set up your own brands.com, you can actually considering these 2 platforms because this is the most popular one, and actually this is being used by a lot of brand owners. Okay, and also for marketplace, right, we support Lazada, Shopee, and Zalora right now. But just now Sarah, she did mention on the Leilong and those customers. Okay, for these 2, right, we actually no longer support that because these 2 marketplaces not as big as Shopee and Lazada, and not actually a lot of sellers are selling there now. So right now we're focusing on these 3 local marketplaces, which is Lazada, Shopee, and Zalora. Okay, and for Lazada and Shopee, right, we can support up to 5 stores each. So means that by using one Zappy account, you can connect to 5 Lazada, 5 Shopee. But Zalora right now only 1. Okay, so total there will be 11 accounts you can use to manage under one Zappy account. Okay, and this is the QuickBooks accounting software we can link to, and this is actually the POS system. So if let's say you're selling at a physical store also, and you can use these CONEX to connect to have it's like a POS system, okay? You can connect to POS system. Okay, so this is actually an overview of Zappy. So you can see Zappy is like the bridge to connect these 4 platforms together. Okay, so back to these benefits. So first is you can easily upload products to multiple accounts. So because Zappy is in the middle, so if you create a new product in QuickBooks already, then from QuickBooks, right, you can easily link to Zappy. Then later in Zappy, you can push the product to Shopee, Lazada, WooCommerce, or Shopify easily. And then you don't need to because when you upload the image or description inside Zappy, right, then later when you push this product to all the online channels, you don't need to re-upload the description and image again already. It's already existed in Zappy already. So you can just easily push the product to all the online channels, and you no need without having to log into the Seller Center or the Shopify or WooCommerce account again. Okay. And then next is you can easily create the product as a single product or as a variation product. Let's say your product comes with different colors or different sizes. Like let's say you're selling t-shirt, got black color, white color, S and L size. So what you create in accounting software usually will be a single product, because each of the size or each of the color has their own SKU or item code one, right? So after you create in the accounting software already, you can sync to Zappy, and then inside Zappy, right, you can actually group them together as a variation product, because in Shopee and Lazada, you want to publish it as a variation product so that customer can easily choose the size and color. You can do so also. So means that even though the product in QuickBooks is a single product, but after you sync it to Zappy, you can group them together, and then only you push them to Shopee, Lazada, and your own brands.com. As long as the SKU is the same, then they can be synced easily between each other already. Okay, and also most importantly, we can help you to manage your inventory. So means that the inventory that you have in QuickBooks, right, is actually linked with your online channels. Means your Lazada, Shopee, and your web store. Okay, so whenever there is a stock changes in your QuickBooks, it will automatically update to your online channels. So you don't need to manually adjust the stock. Or later, if you receive order from online channels, you can easily push the order to QuickBooks to create and sales invoice via Zappy. Okay, so this one I will show you in more details later. Okay, so when you receive an online orders from the marketplace and from the web store, all the orders, right, will automatically sync to Zappy. So Zappy is like a master platform. It will consolidate all your online orders in one control panel. So inside Zappy, right, in one page, you can straight away see all the platforms orders already. And from there, right, you can actually fulfill the orders. Means that you can generate tracking code, you can print airway bill, packing list, all that you can do it inside Zappy. Okay, and then next is you can analyze how much sales performance. If you inside Zappy, it will generate a report to show you how much sales you generate on each of the platform. And also you can find out what are the top selling products if you have selling the same products on all the channels. Okay, and last but not least, this is very important for the sellers and also for the brand owners. You can identify your most loyal customers, because we have been asking a lot of online sellers, do you know who are your top 10 customers or your loyal customers? They don't know. They can't answer that because they don't have this kind of system to help them to analyze unless they do it manually. Okay, they calculate. So if by using Zappy, right, our system can straight away show you who are your top customers in one click, right? In one click. Okay. So okay, this I'll skip this. Okay, so now I will show you this flow. Okay, so so this QuickBooks, right, will be the master platform. Okay, master platform. So means that if you want to create a new product or you want to adjust the inventory, it will be starting from this QuickBook first. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, it's starting from QuickBook first. So you can create the product. Let's say I'm selling this smartphone and I got 10 units. I'll key in inside QuickBooks. Then later I'll sync it to Zappy. So you can actually push all the product that you have been uploaded into QuickBooks, right? You can sync to Zappy. Then when Zappy have all the products already, you can add in the further information like the description, image, or you want to group them as a variation in Zappy. Because usually in accounting software, you don't really upload a lot of information. Only the general like the price and stock and the SKU only. Okay, so after you have all the information already, then you can push it to Lazada, Shopee, or to your web store. You can actually choose this product I want to publish to which channel. Okay, so after you publish to the channel already, right, then the stock, the inventory will be centralized. Means that Lazada got 10 stock, Shopee got 10, and also your website also got 10 stock. Will be same stock with your QuickBooks. Then later, I receive order from let's say Shopee. Okay, Shopee come in one order, website come in one order. So this, after your online platform receive the order already, within 5 minutes, right, this order will sync to Zappy. So once Zappy capture the order, it will deduct the quantity and it will sync back the balance quantity. 10 minus 3, that will be 7. So this 7 quantity will sync to Lazada, Shopee, and to your website. Then later, but this QuickBook will still remain got 10 units. Then how can I deduct the unit? Means from Zappy, you can sync this order to QuickBooks to create a sales invoice. So means that you don't need to manually key in the invoice inside the QuickBooks already. Through Zappy, you can straight away sync your Shopee and your Shopify or WooCommerce order back to QuickBooks to create the sales invoice. Okay, then later the stock in the QuickBooks will be deducted. Okay, then later also if let's say you got do any stock adjustment, you add new stock or you deduct any stock inside the QuickBooks also, it will automatically sync to Zappy. Then Zappy will push to Shopee, Lazada, and QuickBooks. So it's actually a total two-way complete sync. So you can see it's actually a two-way sync. But for the products, new products, you have to create inside QuickBooks first. QuickBooks is the master platform. Yeah. Okay. So this is actually a simple flow of how you can easily use Zappy to sync your inventory and orders from online to this from online channels to these QuickBooks accounting software. Okay. So how can we? How we help with this integration with this integration, how we can help you as a seller is we can help you to save the cost to hire staff. So like I say, if let's say 11/11 or any big campaign day, you receive a lot of orders, right? Usually maybe you key in one invoice, you will need like I think 5 minutes. If let's say you key in 100 invoice, then you will need like 8 hours. Also means the whole day you just sit there and key in the invoice. So if by using our system, right, you actually don't need the staff to sit there. You can ask the staff to do more meaningful thing. Like let's say you can ask them to focus on marketing or they can do sales. They don't need to sit there and waste time to key in the invoice. And also if human key in, it will have human error. They might key in the wrong amount or the customer they will key in wrongly. Okay, it will have occurs of this human error. And also it's very time consuming. Okay, key in one by one. And last but not least, because it's manual create invoice one, so means that the inventory in QuickBooks will not be accurate with your online platforms. So it's so means that two-way is not the two platforms inventory is not tally on. So if by using our system, right, you just need to through our platform to easily sync the stock and also the orders from online to QuickBooks so that both inventory will be tallied. Okay, so this is a quick introduction of ZP lah. Okay, so right now I will go into the a demo. Okay, a quick demo lah, because due to time limitations, so I just show you a quick one of how ZP can link with this Shopee, Lazada, Shopify, and also this QuickBooks. Okay, but mainly today I will show you on Shopee lah, because I believe if you're online sellers, you should have been selling on Shopee, and also maybe if you are planning to start selling online, Shopee could be one of your choice lah, right? Okay, so because Shopee is the most popular, so I will start showing on Shopee lah. Okay, so this is actually the interface of our platform. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to plug in your those platforms that you are using, like let's say Shopee, Lazada, if you're selling Zalora, or you have this Shopify WooCommerce. Okay, so now I have already installed this Shopee plugin. So how can I link my Shopee account with ZP or Lazada account with ZP? So very easy, because everything is plug one, same like this QuickBooks, all is plug one. So you just easily need to put in some ID. Okay, so for Shopee is your seller center ID, means that when you log into your Shopee seller account, this is your email address. Okay, just key in email address, then you click save, right? The system will redirect you to this Shopee open platform. So from here, you just need to remember all this, you change to Malaysia, and then key in the email and password you usually log into your Shopee account. So once you click login already, means that your Shopee account is already authorized with ZP successfully. Okay, and then over here you will see a green tick, means it's already successful integrate. Okay, so once it's already linked, once your Shopee account is linked with ZP successfully already, our system, right, ZP will automatically pull back the orders that you have from Shopee from the past 6 months. So your past 6 month order will automatically sync into ZP already. So let's say right now is almost December, so your orders from June will start pulling back to ZP. So if let's say those old orders also you haven't created invoice in QuickBooks, you can easily sync to QuickBooks through ZP already. Okay, so sorry. So as you can see here, right, in one page, you can straight away see the orders from different channels. So here we will differentiate. This is Lazada orders, and then this is your Shopee orders. So let's say I open one of my Shopee orders. Okay, so from here you're able to see the status. As you know, in Shopee, they have a lot of different status for each of your orders. So if your status in Shopee is already updated, ZP also will automatically change the status. Let's say update to ready to ship or completed or cancel. So when Shopee is updated the status, ZP also will automatically update, and you don't need to click anything. It will straight away update in ZP. And you can see all the information here, like the customer information, address, what items they purchase, and also the total amount. So later when you sync this order to this QuickBooks at time, right, you're able to see all this information inside your QuickBooks invoice already. Okay. Okay, and then just go through a few. I just let you know on the. No, I'm not going to show you this. Okay, sorry. This is for others one, okay, because due to time limit, I just mainly show on the QuickBooks and Shopee. Okay, then right now, right, and also I want to let you know that for those sellers here who already been selling on this Shopee and Lazada, or have your own web store, and you already have existing product uploaded on your account. So how can I link it with ZP? Do I need to recreate the product? The answer is no. You no need to recreate the product again. You can just easily click on this button, import product button, to import all the existing product that you have from Shopee to ZP, as long as all your products have already assigned with the SKU. So this SKU, right, is also very important in QuickBooks. Also, QuickBooks also, they have this SKU. So the SKU in your Shopee and QuickBooks must be the same if you want to integrate both with ZP, because our system, we use SKU as the unique identifier of the product. We don't look at the product name, because product name you can set it differently, but SKU, it must be the same. It must be standardized on all the channels. Okay, so once you have this SKU already, you can easily just import the product. It will show you where you need to fill up the SKU in Shopee. Okay, so same goes to this Lazada and your own web store also. Very easy, just need to click import. Then for new products, right, after you integrate with this QuickBooks already, so for new product, you have to create in QuickBooks first. Okay, then from QuickBooks, you sync it to Zappy, then Zappy to this Shopee account. Okay, I'll show you a very quick one. Okay, so example, right now I go to this QuickBooks. Okay, under this QuickBooks, I will go to this products and services. Okay, I'll create a new product. Okay, so I will select those with inventory one because you want to link inventory with Zappy. So I'll click with inventory. So here you can just create your product. Or let's say I put maybe a t-shirt example. Just pick one out. I won't t-shirt, then woman. Okay, let's say like that. So this is my product name. Okay, and then here is the SKU. So SKU, it can be alphabet, it can be numbers, or it can be dash or underscore. So we don't advise to use this kind of special symbol. Okay, so maybe I put y, then 1, 2, 3 example. So this is my SKU, and category, class, these are optional, whether, and also image also is optional. And then this I'll put in the quantity. Let's say I got 10 units, and then date I will put today's date. Okay, and this one only, and description also optional, whether you want to fill up. So the price here, let's say I put 50 ringgit. Okay, then for SSD column here, right, this one is mandatory. So but because I'm selling products, not services, so I will just select this 0% GST. I just select this one. Okay, and cost, these others are optional. So the important information you need to have in QuickBooks if you want to link with Zappy is the name, SKU, the quantity, price, and also this text. Okay, then after that I just click save and close. So this product will be created in my QuickBooks already. Then later, right, I can come to Zappy here. Okay, there is 2 columns, 2 tabs. One is order and one is product. So I go to product here and I can go with click on this sync product. So after you click the sync product, the system will go and check like any new any new products have been created inside this QuickBooks, and then it will search and it will sync to Zappy. Then right, you can also do some setting. You can check, you can enable whether you want to sync the price or the stock or not. Because some of the customer, they might don't want to sync price, they just want to sync the stock only. So this is optional, so you can choose. Okay, then you can just click on this sync product, then it will search for the sorry, the system will search in the QuickBooks whether there is any new product imported into this Zappy. Okay, so it will take some time, maybe 1 to 2 minutes to check the products. If your product is a lot inside the QuickBooks, sorry, it will just check the product. Then later, right, if let's say the product is already imported to Zappy, then this product, it will show inside this master product page. Okay, because in QuickBooks, I don't fill up any image or the description or that. Then it will come to this master product here. So you can see there's no image one. Then from here, you can just click edit and you can put in the description, the further information, like the description. If you want to group them as a variation also can, you can upload the image also can. Okay, so these are all the mandatory information you need to fill up. So because this is required by Shopee one, so you need to fill up the information here. Then later, after you upload all the information here already, then you can easily push the product to your Shopee account. Just come to Shopee here. Because previously I already linked my Shopee account. Then you can just come to the add product here. And then you can choose which Shopee account you want to sync to. Let's say now I got 2. So I just choose, then I click confirm. Then here you can come, it will show you the category that requires by Shopee. So you actually don't need to go back to Shopee and create the product again already, because everything that you need to fill out in Shopee is already existed in Zappy. Okay, so then you can just tick log which product that you want to sync to Shopee. Okay, let's say I just choose this one. Just click select, and we already have the categories, the description and the product name, which already been filled up in the master product page just now. Then you just need to fill up the others information that requires by Shopee. Let's say it's the brand, because Shopee also, they already have the fixed brand, right? You cannot set your own brand. You have to choose what already been given by Shopee. And also for the price also, you can easily change. let's say this is the price I set in QuickBooks. Then I want to sell this slightly cheaper. Let's say I put let's say 50 ringgit. Okay, you can easily set different price on different channels. You don't need to necessarily follow the price you have in the QuickBooks. Okay, then others information you just fill up already. Then you can directly click on this save button. So after you click this save, right, it means that it will directly sync to your Shopee account and it will be a live product already a live product. So it means that it's already a published product. Then you can easily find your products in Shopee. That means that your customer can already see the products inside Shopee. Okay, then right, okay, then after that, right, you can also, if you want to push this product to Lazada or Zalora or Shopify WooCommerce, also it will be the same step. And also you don't need to upload the image again already because it's already have the image here already. Okay, so means the image description you just need to do one time. Okay, then others like the requirements required by Shopee, Lazada, then that one you have to fill it separately because you know different system, their requirements is different, right? Okay, then later, right, I will go back to this order to show you. Okay, so for orders, right, previously I already have orders inside my ZP. Then if you want to sync these orders to QuickBooks, right, I just go back to this QuickBooks here. Okay. Okay, then here under this orders tab, you can click on this add orders. Okay, but before that, I'll show you a few settings you can set. So before you sync orders, you can choose whether which kind of status orders you want to sync to QuickBooks. So you want it to be new, ready to ship completed. You can choose. If you don't want, you can just disable that. Okay, and also you can choose whether you want to sync the shipping costs, the vouchers, or you want to show the marketplace orders as the invoice number, or if you turn off, then it will be a running number following the running number you have in QuickBooks. Okay, then for this custom field, right, it will show others information like the marketplace, from which marketplace, Shopee, Lazada, or Shopify WooCommerce, which account, order reference, and also if you sync vouchers, it will show you the code, like the discount code or the voucher codes. Okay, and also when the invoice is created already, you can also set the customer of the invoice. You want it to be which customer? Okay, you want it to be the platform customer or you want it to be the original customer. Let's say I buy from your Shopee store. Okay, sorry, why the screen? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I will share the screen. Okay. Okay, so this customer here, right, you can choose whether you want it to be platform or the buyer's name. Let's say my name is Minjan. I buy from the Shopee store. Then when this order I purchase already, this order sync back to QuickBooks, you want the customer name to be Minjan or to be Shopee. Because if you sell on Shopee, right, the payment will go to Shopee first. Then only Shopee will release the payment to you. So it can be the customer can be Shopee or can be my name. Okay, this one you can choose, but you have to create the customer inside the QuickBooks first. Okay, if you want it to be the QuickBooks customer, you can choose the existing customer that you have. Or if the one you turn off, it will automatically create my name, Minjan, as a new customer inside your QuickBooks. Okay, it can also help you to store all your online customers in your QuickBooks also. So you can have secure your customer information inside your accounting software. Okay, then right, you can come to here and then you can click on add orders to choose the orders that you want to sync. Okay, so if let's say after you choose the order, then you click select, right, then later it will show at the list here, and then right, it won't be okay, it will show here a Shopee order. Then here it will show new one. It haven't synced to this QuickBooks yet. You have to click on this sync order to sync this order to QuickBooks. But before you click this sync orders, right, please make sure the items inside. Okay, let's say I'm going to check this order. Okay, example, I come to orders here, search the order. Okay, you need to make sure that this SKU, the item inside the orders, is already existed in your QuickBooks. If not, right, then it can't sync successfully. It will show a fail message or not sync. Then it will show you what is the reason, because this SKU cannot find in your QuickBooks. Yeah, so before that, you need to make sure the products already existed in QuickBooks. Then later you can come to here and click on the sync order. So after you sync orders, right, it will show you the show sync successfully under which order number. Okay, so if let's say I just show you an existing one, I already seen before one. Okay, because due to time limited, because after sync to QuickBooks already, right, it will show you, it will take 1 to 2 minutes to access the invoice inside your QuickBooks one. Okay, then because time limitation, I'll just show you this one. Okay, so example, this invoice, right, this Shopee invoice, the total amount is 10 cents. Okay, so after I sync to this QuickBooks already, okay, I can look for this invoice number. You can easily find this invoice 1121. Okay, so I can just search the order here. It straight away become an invoice. We won't sync as a cash sales or quotation or that. It will straight away be an invoice already. Okay, then if you over here, you can see the customer mine is Shopee Malaysia, because I have choose that all Shopee orders I want to go into this Shopee Malaysia customer. I don't want to create so many different customers inside QuickBooks. Okay, and also here it will show you the billing address, shipping address together with the customer name. So if let's say you want to print this invoice to customer, also can, because we already have the customer name show over here, even though my customer here is Shopee. So if let's say customer request, you still can print it from here. Okay, you can show the customer name. And then here you can see using which shipping provider, the tracking number, buy from which account, order ID, and also the discount code if there is any, if do any apply any discount from here. Then here is the item that the customer purchased, and this is the total amount 10 cents. So you can see, right, the invoice, the amount show here is straight away what the customer paid already. So you can send the invoice to your customer also can. And then you can see, right, all this information, it helps you to generate by the system already. You don't need to manually key in the address one by one, key in what is the item, the order ID, all that. The system help you to generate. You just need to click only, just select which order, one click, create the invoice already. So if let's say one day you got 100 order, you just take 100 order, click one click, then it will generate the invoice. But our system, right, is one order we create as one invoice. We won't lump sum multiple order inside one invoice. We create one order as one invoice. Okay, so you can see, right, this is very helpful for those online sellers that have a lot of orders. You don't need to key in one by one. Okay, just use the system to do it, and this can help you to reduce the human error. Okay, so this is that's all of my demo. Okay, I'm sorry if I show you very quick one because due to time limitation. But if let's say you want to know more, you can straight away contact QuickPro and they can arrange for a live demo to you. Because this one I just showed you a quick one, so it's actually got a lot of step one but that one will take a lot of time. Okay, so right now I just allow me to go back to the slide here. Okay, so I'll just continue to show you further more about Zappy. So our Zappy is also a cloud one, same like QuickBooks, is hosted on this AWS, is 100% fully on the cloud. So you can also use your laptop or your mobile to access to your Zappy account. Okay. Then these are some of our customers. So for popular one, we have Oppo, Photo Shangri-La, Freshposter, Sunway, TV, and these are all our customers that already been using Zappy. Okay, so these are part of the customers. Okay, and thank you very much everyone for your time for listening to my presentation. And yeah, so if you have further question or anything you don't understand, you can feel free to put inside the chat box, and after the session and during the Q&A session, I will answer your question one by one. And if let's say you want to arrange for a demo, or you want to engage more about engage QuickBooks more about engage QuickPro for more about QuickBooks inquiry, you can feel free to reach to them, and I can arrange for a demo. Yeah. So thank you everyone. This will be my session, and I will pass the floor back to Sarah.
I thank you, Ming-Jen, for sharing us a very fantastic features of Zappy. I believe this Zappy can actually help a lot of e-commerce merchant to do better, and as well as, you know, it will make the e-commerce merchant life easier, much more easier. Okay, so before we proceed with the second speakers, I would like to ask some of the questions, which is we want to collect some of the data from you, whether you are currently using any online channels, or are you currently using any accounting software. So I'm going to launch the poll. Can you please help me to fill up the polls and send back to me? Thank you. You'll be seeing this poll on your screen. You just need to click yes and no. Ten seconds more to close the poll. Okay, thank you for your participation. And there's another questions on the accounting software on QuickBooks Online. I'm going to launch another post, which is taking about 50 seconds. Okay, thank you for your participation. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next speakers. Let me just quickly introduce about who is the second speakers. Wai Ping is the founder of QuickPro Solutions in Jalan Berhad. QuickPro Solution has been in this market for 20 years. So they are experienced in handling, selling, and implementing QuickBooks accounting software for SMEs in Malaysia. So as far, they has implemented more than 300 QuickBooks accounting software to Malaysian SMEs since 1998. So now partnering with Zepti, they would like to help local SMEs to make a complicated e-commerce accounting simple. So let's welcome Ms. Wai Ping. Thank you. Wai Ping, over to you.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I think some of you already know me. Anyway, I will just show you because Mingzhen has already given you a very good picture of how the integration looks like. Okay, I will be showing you what other features of QuickBooks Online. Okay, as some of you are already using QuickBooks, for those who are new, so QuickBooks Online is actually a very user-friendly system, very easy to use, even though you don't know accounts, but you don't need to know accounts to do accounts because the interface is form-based. So you know invoice, you do invoice, it will automatically do the double entry for you. You don't need to be an accountant to do that. So since it's a cloud system, you can access anytime, anywhere, especially in times like this. Most of the people are working remotely or at home or where. So and the mobile app is actually very, very useful. Okay, so free iPhone, Android apps, and you can actually submit claims, expense claim, using, say, enter a bill and take a photo of the bill, and then you automatically capture the picture of the bill in QuickBooks. And then after approval, the accounts department can just pay the bill. That means the claims. So because it's a cloud system, there's the support, and then accountant access. Those days, a lot of small business owner, they will just pass the books to accountant at the end of the year, pass boxes and boxes of files to the accountant, they will redo. But now your accountant you don't need to do that to your accountant anymore. And the accountant can just log in because the accountant user is free. So if you buy a 5 user license, it will be 5 + 1 free accountant version. So the accountant can access to your system and do the accounts for you. So the reports and all this, and then you can have unlimited invoices. Okay, the automation, there are reports, and then automatically backup. You don't have to worry about. You don't have to worry about like what do you call hard disk crash lah, your server nobody maintain and all this, and then also ransomware and all this, because it is very secure. You cannot have the kind of security set for your desktop version in your own server, because Intuit actually has millions of users worldwide. They make their server very, very secure. They don't even reveal to us where is the location of the server. So it will auto backup in another location, another server. So it's actually very, very secure system. Okay, maybe I'll just run through with you the system, QuickBooks system at a glance. Wait, let me log into QuickBooks. Okay. As Mingsen already shared, the QuickBooks will come into, if you actually do any online sale from Shopee, Lazada and all this, once you click sync, it will automatically come in as an invoice. So if you go to your customer and then you see your sales, you look at Lazada or Shopee, you will see the, say assuming I click on Shopee customer, my advice is you just set a main customer like Shopee customer, Lazada customer. You don't go and set let it create every buyer as a new customer. It's better to group it, easier for you to manage payment.
I'm so sorry, we cannot see your screen.
Hey, wait. So sorry. Wait. I didn't share. Sorry. Let me go back to share screen. I didn't share. Oh, come on. Share screen. Sorry. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, I can see.
Sorry. Just now I forgot to share screen. Never mind. Now this is the QuickBooks Online. Once you log in, you will see Get Things Done and Business Overview. All right. So your Get Things Done is a shortcut to do your normal activities, and Business Overview will give you some report at a glance. A bit slow. Okay. Okay. So just now, after you sync from ZP to QuickBooks Online, it will come in as invoice. So if you go to customer, Shopee customer, you automatically see all the invoices for the day. All right. So what you have to do is payment. At the end of the month, and I don't know how often Shopee pay you, whenever you receive payment from Shopee, what you can do is you straight away can do receive payment. You click on receive payment from Shopee, right? You will see all the invoices. Okay, say assuming you take they are paying you these two invoices, these two sales. So what you do is you just have to click undeposited fund, and then you save this. The day they pay you, you just change the date lah, and then reference all this. Okay. Okay. So after you save this, you know, I make it smaller a little bit so that I can save and new or save and close lah. So assuming I close it, then Shopee will charge you some commission. What you can do is you just go to deposit. That's then you'll see Shopee, right? The Shopee deposit. And you can deduct commission here. Say, if you want to identify, you can put like bank charges or commission or what. Commission to Shopee. It's expense. Say assuming they deduct 100 ringgit. You put minus 100. Then the net bank in will be is 1168. The net bank in, you know, because the screen is a bit. So sorry, I put in the wrong view. The thing run a bit. So you see the net bank in is 1068. All right. You just have to do that. Whenever you receive payment from Shopee or Lazada, you just go to receive payment, receive the total amount already. Then you come here and log in and bank into your actual bank. Which bank you're banking in? I'm banking into Maybank. Then you just take Maybank. And that's it. Okay. Make it smaller so that I can see the save and close. So the payment is already in your bank account. So you go to dashboard. You will see the bank account here. Wait. See, just now was Maybank. Then it will go into your bank straight away. Okay. Right. So as Ming Zhen said, it will you need to do accounts also. You cannot just sell. You need to file your accounts. You need to do accounts instead of passing it to your accountant, all the receipts and boxes of files and all. The system already done up the accounts for you the minute you sync. Partially, of course, it's not full accounts yet, but you will have report. You'll have profit and loss report straight away. See, you can go straight away, click here. But straight away you have your income statement already. And then the commission and all this, it will capture straight away. Commission to Shopee, capture 100. So your income is captured. And then if you want to see it by customers, that means is by, I put this month. You can see Shopee, what is the profit and loss for Shopee, maybe Lazada, and then you can compare your channel sales. Okay, besides syncing this, you can also do some direct sale yourself. Maybe you invoice to your customer. You can still do invoice to your customer or do cash sales. Your own customer, you can add names, right? This your customer, say assuming you're selling to another of the local reseller, say customer one, what you sell, all right? So assuming you just sell this, right? And then service tax. Okay, the class here, you can actually set, like this one is maybe a direct sale and the other one is online sale. So when you see your business report, it will show you online sale, give you how much, what is the performance for online sale, what is the performance for direct sales, all right? So, and one feature, I'm not sure whether you know, there is this feature called Save and Share WhatsApp. Nowadays, everybody WhatsApp, they don't even look at email. You can just click Save and WhatsApp this invoice to your customer. I just simply put we ask you for, okay. So once you click share and close, it will launch a WhatsApp. You don't have to pay for the WhatsApp cost. You don't even have to pay for it because some system they can do it, but you need to pay for the cost of sending it by WhatsApp. So you will straight away launch WhatsApp because I already have one. So it will launch WhatsApps and let you choose who you want to send to. Okay, so it's actually very, very useful feature on the go. Because just now I opened two WhatsApp, that's the problem. Because it will auto launch WhatsApp. Okay, I'll do again. I have to close WhatsApp so that you can auto. Okay, so here, save and share, it will open WhatsApp. Say assuming I pass to whoever, say Zenet. And actually it will straight away, see, the WhatsApp invoice. Right? It's that easy. Okay. This one is on invoices. Okay, you can share. So we have done the, after you receive the payment, so you take care of the payment. You just have to do the payment when you receive payment from all this Shopee, Lazada, and then you can do your other sales channel, and for purchases, because you need to do your own purchases. So in QuickBooks Online, there's a feature, you can issue PO to your supplier, You place order with a supplier, and then when the goods arrive, you automatically add into your stock. So say assuming you buy from China, say a China supplier. Just simply put overseas supplier, and then the email, say right. If it is in different currency, you can specify the currency, say US dollar, how many you're buying, all this. This is actually the PO. Then you can email the PO to your supplier. Okay. After you have done a PO, you can manage your PO. Which one is has been issued, and when they send you the goods, you just need to enter the bill. The system will remember you have PO. So you just add the PO inside. Okay. So automatically this will be added to your in stock. So at the end, the following day or what, when you want to update Shopee, Lazada, you update Zappy, it will show the latest stock balance once you enter a bill. This system is actually GST ready, so you must select the code. But of course, you can turn it off from the start, then it will not show. And just now Ming Sen was saying you have to add the item inside QuickBooks. And while you're doing your PO, if it is a new item, you can straight away add. Then it will link you to the product list to add your new product. Okay. You will link you here to add. All right. And then the stock report, if you want to double that, there's all, when you click on this product and services, you will see on hand. This on hand quantity, on hand value will tally with what you post back to Zappy and display on Shopee and Lazada and all this. Okay. So your accountant just need to connect and do your other accounting activities. You already done part of the, as I would say, at least 50% of the accounting job of your accountant, and so your accountant won't charge you so much lah, because lesser work ma. But it's very convenient for the accountant to manage your accounts. It's more efficient. We reduce the repetitive work, so you guys no double work. Straight away, sales is taken care of. You just have to do the payment, and then at the end of the month, when there is when you want to reconcile with the bank, you just click bank reconciliation. In fact, there is, you can also import transaction from your bank. So you just connect to the bank, and it will you just connect a file, connect to the bank, and then, or you upload transaction. If you are using personal banking, then it connect. Once you connect already, every day then if there's any new transaction, it will auto update in your system. But it's not posted yet. It's for you to review. After you accept, it will post to your accounts. So, or if you're under Sendirian Berhad or what, with corporate account, you cannot upload directly. You upload using a file. You ask bank to give you a CSV file, and then you just upload transaction. It's that simple. So it take care of your banking, your sales, your purchase, and give you real-time reports. So this is actually the a very it take care of your whole e-commerce business with these two system only. Take care of your whole e-commerce business and give you instant reports. So the reporting here is very complete. There are a lot of reports and graphs and all. And there are a lot of front-end system linking to the account system also. So under reports, you have a lot of reports. You see, you get profit and loss by class, profit and loss by customer, and all this. You can actually straight away. It will also show you statement of cash flow. This is a very important report to look at for business owners. It analyzes your profit. You know, or maybe I make profit. In this case is a loss. You analyze why is it that your bank don't have money, or this is the bank balance. It actually analyze for you how you spend your money, because a lot of business owners, they just like spend, but they don't know whether they actually maybe overspend or they over borrow and things like that. So this report will tell you how healthy is your business, okay, how you utilize your funds, okay. And maybe like you can manage like, these are the supply, there are some customer never pay me, so that's why it minus from my cash flow. And then because you never pay supplier, that's why you have money, you know. It would make you give you very what do you call useful information to manage your cash flow. All right. So other than that, the security wise, the system will give you audit trail, and any report, if you're worried about hanky panky things, any form, it will give you an audit trail report. Right. And then accounting, under no apps, there are a lot of front end system that can link with QuickBooks Online. Okay, there are a lot of popular apps now, Shopify, all these. Okay, so one point I want to highlight to you all is this QuickBooks Online. This ZP and QuickBooks Online really complement one another, because the one feature that is lacking in QuickBooks Online is the stock item. The item in QuickBooks Online is only single unit measurement, whereas in ZP you can actually break it down into various measurement sizes and all, and then post it as a whole item. This will actually resolve this issue already. And also the pricing, we cannot have a different price book for different customer, whereas you can manage your price book in ZP. Okay, that's all about a brief introduction of QuickBooks system. If you need further like demonstration for your according to your own needs, you can always contact us or leave a message for us to contact you to do another round of one-on-one demonstration to your company only. Okay, so the pricing, the QuickBooks Online pricing is actually very transparent. You can check online anytime, right? You can have annual subscription or yearly subscription. It comes from 1 user, 3 user, and 5 user. Or you want to pay online, that's the price. You get 10% discount if you pay annual. And currently there's a promotion going on, which is 70% discount for three months. And other than this, you can also apply, if you are qualified, you can also apply for SME digitalization grant, which give you a maximum grant amount of subsidy of maximum is 5,000, or 50% of the amount, okay, whichever is lower. And this is a rough ZP pricing. You can start it to try out the system for free for the basic 100 orders per month to try it out, or you can sign up our package. This one, when you we will quote you separately, okay? Let's end my presentation. I'll pass back to Sarah.
Hi, thanks, Miss Uy, for the presentations. Okay, right now we are going into Q&A sessions. So if you have any questions, you can actually turn on your microphone and ask the question, or you want to leave the message into the chat box. Okay, we'll have about 15 minutes of Q&A time. If time allowed, we can actually extend a little bit. Okay, yeah, you can give us any questions right now.
There's one question here, Lik Chin.
Yeah, I think that the question will be about ZP.
Yeah.
Other than Shopify and WooCommerce, does ZP accept other as well, like own build website or ZP API integration? Okay, also to answer Lik Chin question, okay, right now we only, for shopping cart platform, we only support Shopify and WooCommerce. And for others, we don't support right now, but we already have this, our own API, our open API. But for this API right now is only for orders pooling. So meaning that you can pull the orders from ZP to other platform or other system. Yeah, but while for the products and the inventories API is not ready yet. Estimated will be ready on next year lah. Next year, maybe second or third quarter. Yeah. Yeah, hope I answered your question. If no, you can, yeah, you can ask in the chat again. Yeah, okay, no problem.
Any other questions? I mean, then since there's no questions at this moment, maybe you can share with us, what are your, your customer with you has been, I think you has been implementing for some of the customers before. So what are the questions from the customers, in the past, and what is the common asked questions that you actually have it?
Common asked question. For accounting, not much lah. Usually maybe on our ZP side lah. For the like syncing with Shopee, Lazada, all that. Yep. Can we have further contact for ZP?
Yeah, that one we
you can scan the QR code.
Yeah, you can scan the QR code, then you will save the contact in your in your phone.
Okay.
Any more questions?
Hi, hello.
Hi, Shirley.
Okay, I just want to know, is it this ZP can implement to the accounting software, others accounting software? Means because right now you introduce for us is QuickBook, right? So
Yes.
for currently we use AutoCount. So is it can mesh with our accounting?
Okay. Hi, Shirley. Yeah. Okay. Yes, we do integrate, but if you are looking for like, because for AutoCount it will be a desktop based accounting software, but if you are looking like for cloud system, yeah, maybe you can, because right now actually a lot of sellers, they are like slowly switching to a cloud software lah. So maybe, so for cloud one we can support this QuickBooks. So if you're looking to because today's topic will be on QuickBooks lah. So yeah, so we will be mainly focusing on this QuickBooks Online. So if you're looking for a cloud accounting software, you can go with ZP, and or if let's say any others, if you haven't start using QuickBooks, you can actually engage Quick Pro Solutions. Yeah.
Any other questions?
No, thanks.
There's a question, can Zepti to customize a solution for customers? Minton?
Okay, hi Sharon. Can you elaborate further? Customize as in what? What kind of solution you are looking?
Wai Peng, sorry to interrupt. Wai Peng, can you show the QR code again? Lik Jin would like to scan the code again.
Oh, okay. No problem.
And also for Sharon, okay, so the features and the demo that I showed just now is included in our standard plan. But if let's say you are looking for others features or others solution, we don't provide any customization on the features. But if let's say on the like let's say on integration, like let's say with others ERP system, those we do provide this kind of services. But maybe you can elaborate more on what kind of solution you would like to customize, because we also need to see whether it's doable. Then only we can talk further on the customization.
Okay, Wai Peng, are you showing the QR code?
Yep. Can you see?
No, you are not sharing.
Not sharing. Wait, share screen. Oh, I didn't click the word share. Can you see?
Yeah.
Any more questions? Okay, if there's no questions, we shall end today's sessions. And I'll be sending the email over on this recording. You can actually play back anytime. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call to scan this QR code now and give Ms. Wei a call later. And if you have any question, you can always go to quickpro.com.my to check for the information about QuickBooks as well. Okay, thank you for joining us today. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks everyone for the time. Thank you.
Thank you for
Thanks.
attending. Bye.
Thanks,
Bye-bye.
Bye everyone.